Happy Republic Day to everybody who's watching and to all of us here.
What have you seen with the Mumbai Fest? Shamil is actually looking very good. बहुत महीनों बहुत सालों की मेहनत है इस
First of all, I want to congratulate everybody in the Mumbai Fest team. Such a great initiative, such a great way to show all the great things that we have to showcase in Mumbai. And we saw this opportunity to add something that we think we bring into the whole culture of Mumbai, which is cool and vintage. You can see a lot of vintage cars and vintage bikes, and there are a lot of Mumbai people who are very enthusiastic about it. This is the first time we've done this, and thanks to the infrastructure provided to us by Mumbai Fest, it became easy for Bombay Cool and Vintage to be part of this. Moving forward, this is our first edition. Moving forward, we'd love to be part of a Mumbai Fest every time they do it, but we'll also add more categories. It will not just be classic and vintage bike and cars or cool bikes and cars. There'll also be stuff like, you know, when I look at cameras, like old vintage cameras, there's some people that I know, my friends who are photographers, they collect different cameras. I know a few friends who collect old vintage and cool watches, from superhero figurines to people who collect coasters to Matchbox. It's just the culture that different people in Mumbai have, and if there was one place to showcase it, it would be Bombay Cool and Vintage, and with always hopefully the support of Mumbai Fest. So that's the idea, and I see that a lot of people who own these cars, they get a lot of pride and sense of satisfaction when it's appreciated in a place like this where we've given them the platform to come and showcase their love, their affection, their passion. And for a lot of people who don't know where to go and see this, they can come here and actually be inspired and aspire to be like the other owners. And I think it's a great one kind of a blanket place, one umbrella where you can just come and see what Mumbaikars, what people from Mumbai, what are their passions, what are they all about. This is my partner, Jignesh from Bombay Cool and Vintage.
What's something that you like about Mumbai actually?
I see. I've now spent most of my life in Mumbai. अगर आप ये देखें कि 34 साल की उम्र में सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम मैंने मुंबई में पिछले 15 साल से मैं उससे पहले I went to 9 schools. My dad was in the army. I like a lot of things about Mumbai. First of all, what I am, what I do, what my family, if we're living well and all, it's all only because of Mumbai, because this has provided me जैसे कहते हैं रोटी कपड़ा और मकान, and the opportunities that comes with it. The love that I get from the rest of the world, actually the work happens here. Apart from that, the food, the people, the really cool different vibe that you get in different parts of Mumbai. If you go to South Mumbai, you get, you know, South Mumbai is like the infrastructure, the architecture there is so amazing and so vintage. But when you come towards Bandra, you see the cool vibe, lots of cafes and a lot of young people. And when you go further, it's just amazing. And I think the people here are very, they have a great spirit. The energy of the city is unbelievable. I tell people, my friends who come from New York or London, they're like, what city would we love in India? And I said, Mumbai will be the city that you love because the energy is so good.
Okay, what have you to say, sir?
वैसे तो मैंने सब कुछ cover कर ही लिया है.
He's spoken most of it, like. But yeah, it's a good opportunity for people to get their vehicles and showcase their passion out and share their passion and knowledge with all the other people who wants to get into that kind of collection and the passion.
And not just cars and bikes. We're saying even अगर आपके sneakers बहुत cool हैं, अगर आपकी घड़ियाँ vintage हैं, अगर आपके दादाजी की stamp collection है, coin collection है, anything that's cool and vintage. So moving forward, you'll have more stalls, and we'll keep adding, and you know we'll love for any ideas from your side also. This was something that we wanted to do for a long time. We weren't getting the right platform because we didn't want to do it in a small way, and this just happened to be the best kind of marriage, because what we want to do, Bombay Cool and Vintage, is actually part of what Mumbai is all about. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Big film release, Padmavat. Have you watched that film?
Not yet. I'm working day in and day out. If you see what I'm doing, I have no time, but I'll watch it as soon as I can. आपने देखी? आपने देखी? कैसी लगी? Very good. So I'll go watch it.
What your film projects happening?
So in the middle of making 3-4 different properties, including Bombay Cool and Vintage, just finished a web series. So we'll talk about it as soon as ये Mumbai Fest और Bombay Cool and Vintage की जगह है. Thank you so much.